How can I create a persona? Oh, I understood that this is based on data driven demographics and all those, but what is the technique? So there are multiple ways to do that. I just tried collating few of the important questions which you, if you implement, you may get the right set of a buyer's persona for your organization or for your own business. So first is definitely the information, the age, gender, and location, income, and this is one personal information. Then you will collect the professional information. Now, in professional, definitely the company, job title, how the typical day works for them, who's their boss, do they manage others, how's their success measured. So this is a personal kind of an info. Then you move towards the what are the values and the fears. For example, what do they value in their professional as well as in personal life? What is important to them when considering a product like yours? What are the things which they will like, right? What objections they may come up with? Okay, what drives their decision making process? So imagine if you get answers for these questions, it becomes easy for you to come to a point that this is the kind of customer who's going to buy my product, right? Then you also work towards the goals and the challenges. What are their personal and career goals? How do they prioritize those goals? What challenges impact achieving these goals? How could you help? What questions do they ask when seeking solutions to these challenges, right? Then where are they? So how do they get information? How do they communicate? Are they I mean, you'll try and check that where is my target audience? Is the target audience available on the digital space? If yes, which where in digital space? How will you come to know that? What are their likes? Where do they like spending time, right? What media do they consume? Do they belong to any associations, any forums they are part of it? What is the social media they're using? So today we have Facebook and then Twitter, then your Insta. What are they using? Because that will give you the fair idea that what exactly they like to do it. Now, do they attend events? Do they attend conferences? If yes, is this an online conference or the offline conference? Where do they spend their days? Do they have a relevant hobbies? Right. Then comes the little negative info, because are there customers you don't want, which means too difficult to manage, too expensive to support, not enough budgets, and maybe the wrong industry? So based on these kind of questions, and you can even add little more, the idea is to tell you that you can. This is how you can create that buyer's persona, the fictional character which we just spoke on, and then once you have a full clarity that for my product and my services, this is the customer who's gonna buy my product, right? So all of you can go and do a little more survey based on these questions, and then try and create a buyer's persona for your own products and services, and we will wait for your feedback. It will give you a real insight that who is your target audience. And trust me, once you crack this ideal customer calculations, or I would say the if you have the full idea about it, then it becomes very easy for you to convert those people, because those are the people who actually need your product or the services.